Hey creators! Ever wondered how to achieve that cool Neptune-style inverted text in your videos or After Effects? Look no further in this quick tutorial. I'll walk you through the simple steps. Let's get started. Firstly, go to Text, then change the font to either Akita Expanded or in Treagle CF. You can download font in the link in the description. Then type in your text. Then take a screenshot of your text, then crop it to. So after that, go back to the text, then put it to opacityzer. Then go to stroke and add a white stroke. Then take a screenshot again and crop it out. Then after that, remove the background of your clip. Then duplicate your clip and overlay one of them. Then restore the background of your main clip. Then after that, add the two images that you screenshot earlier. Then after that, change the splice to light. So on the image with the white text, change the layer to 1. Then go to Effect and add Edge Glow. You can adjust it to your lick-in. Then object to the white text. After that, add the effect blur. You can adjust it to your lick-in. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more creative content. Have questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Keep crafting, keep creating. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired and happy editing.